So good evening and welcome to grade 10 classes. So we will be continuing with equations. Today is 20th July 2020. So what are the solving methods of two simultaneous equations? Okay, one is that elimination method, that is addition subtraction that we'll do. It was something like this, correct? X plus y and equals 10 and x minus y equals 5 means we do add, right? We do add them. That means we add means 2x. Yeah, x and y will be eliminated. That means 2x equals 15. So x we find out. That is one way. That is the elimination method we call. And we have substitution method. That means we don't have to worry about this one. You just get this guy, right? You have this equation. Let's say this is the equation you have. This here, from here you can take for x, right? You keep this x and take this y that side, right? Y that side means x equals to 5 plus y will come. For x I'm going to put y plus 5 or 5 plus y, right? 5 plus y, and y will be there as it is, y will be there as it is, and then 10. So we will be finding y. So this is we call substitution method. Can anyone say what's the third method will be? Graphing method, that we are not using, of course. You draw two graphs, right? Let's say this is the this is one line and the other one is this one. Let's say solution will be here, right? That means what is x value we will find out here, x value, right? And what is y value we will find out from here. So we can find out x and y by this, right? Okay, we will go to few of the questions. The cost of 5 kg sugar and 7 kg rice is some 1,530 rupees, and cost of 7 kg sugar and 5 kg rice is 1,470. Find the cost of 6 kg sugar and 10 kg rice. To find sugar price, right, and rice price, then you can get the 10 and 6 kgs. We can take, let be 1 kg price is x and rice we will take as y, and then we will construct a equation. Can we get the equation and tell me? Aski, like you gave an answer. Ashfaq has also given me answer for that. Only one equation. I need two equations. Cost of 5 kg sugar. I'm taking the price as x here, right, for sugar, and rice as y, the price, okay, because we need to find out the x and y. So two things are there. So you just concentrate what maybe I have to take. Is it the price? Is it the weight I have to take? Cost of 5 kg sugar and 7 kg. So 5x, right? 5x plus 7 kg rice, 7 kg rice, 7y equals this much as 1530, right? Okay, this is one equation I have, right? 7 kg sugar and 5 kg rice, right? 5 kg rice equals to 1470. We have got two equations. Now we can do two things, right? One is to eliminate x or y, one thing, one way, and the second way is you get a substitution way. That means you take for x or y and put in one or two. That's one way you can do. So what's the easiest way we can do here, we will see. If you are going to use a substitution method here and take that 1y and replace it here, right? This is substitution method. So it's something very long way. We don't want to use that. So I think I can eliminate x and then I multiply this by 7 and this by 5 is a way we can think of, one way. But that's also I don't like, because it's a big number. I don't like, but I have some other way. I can add these two, right? I'm just not doing anything else. 12x, okay, 12x, right? 12x plus 12y equals some number we will get. So I got 12x plus 12y equals 300. Something I have interesting, right? Something I have interesting. I can divide 12x plus 12y, because why I took this addition, is, you see, 5 7 5 7, okay, so 12 is coming, addition is 12 coming. So if I get this side also, the other side also a comfortable number, that means I am out with the answer easily. So 12x 12y, so I added, I just divide this by 12, or I can divide by 2 and then 6, but I just directly divide by 12 here, right? Divide this by 12, right? I will be getting 3000 divided by 12 will be 2, right? 24, right? 65, right? 250, right? Is it correct? 6 is 50, 12 is 250, right? So x plus y I got 250. So this will be my third equation. And also I will do now what I will do, other one. First thing I did is 1 plus 2 I did. What is the next one I will be doing? Can someone say? Okay, 1 minus 2 also I can get, right? 1 minus 2 I can get, equation 1 and 2 you subtract from 7y minus 5y is 2y, correct? Minus 2x, right? Equals, right? It's going to be 1530 minus 1470 means it's going to be 6. So it's going to be y minus x equals 30. So now I got the fourth equation, right? I have a y minus x equals 30, and I will take this equation. I will just write down y first, okay? Y plus x equals 250. So I have these two equations. This is 3 and 4. Now I have the answers, correct? Now I got very easy. So it's very simple equation. So add these 3 and 4, you will get 3 plus 4 is going to be answer. I got the answer already, 2y, right? Minus plus xy will like vanish, 280. So it's going to be y is going to be 140. To find out x, what you'll do, so substitute method, substitute, you have to write down all these things. Substitute y equals 140 in equation number 3, right? So you take that y, put in equation number 3, so x plus 130 I'm putting, 140 I'm putting for this guy y, so that is equals to 250. So that will be x is going to be my x I found going to be 110, right? Even I was thinking first time when I saw this question, I had to multiply 7 and 5 and a lot of big calculation is there, but seeing that it's not difficult, they did not make give such difficulty for us, they made such an easy way, easy answer, easy solution is there, right? So always little think, just don't jump to answers. Right, we have the grade 10 students. Now let's see what this question is about. And so if you want to find out, I told you just see what's the last part of the question is like saying, find how much sweets of each kind they purchased, right? Find how much sweets of each kind they purchased. So they want to find out how much sweets we have purchased. So farewell party, they are giving some sweets. So that's one thing. Cost is 700 per kg, and one type of sweets. The other sweet is 840 per kg. Estimated total amount of sweets is this much, 36 kg they need. Sweets were needed. If the total money spent on sweets this much, 28,000 they spent. Now we want to find out how much, right? Can you give me the answers? Get me the equations, please. Now two things we need to find out, right? What are we going to take as x and y? That's the important thing that it's very important. as I was explaining an earlier question. They decided to purchase rupees 700 for 1 kg. The other one is rupees 840 for 1 kg, right? Very simple. 36 kg they bought, and the total money spent also given. Let the sweet purchase be sweet 1 be x kg, right? Sweet 1 I'll take x kg, and sweet 2 be y kg. So the cost of this one is 700x plus 840y, right? That is the second one I took as y. 1 kg is 700, so x kg is going to be 700 into x. No, the total cost we are talking about, because total cost is 28,000. Total you spent is that much, right? It's going to be 28,000. And then the estimated, they estimated the sweet total weight is this much, so x plus y is going to be 36. So what I'm going to do here, this I'm going to do equation 1, right? I'm going to do equation 2 here. So now what we will do, am I going to just multiply the second equation by 840 or 700 and get rid of eliminate y or x? Is it the way, or am I going to do something else? Take the equation 1 and divide that by 10 both sides, right? 0 0 0 cancel, 10 divided means zeros will be cancelled, correct? Right, now still I have this this is into 7 and 7, I can see all 7s, right? I'll divide this by 7 also and just come for easy answer, because I don't want to go just struggling into a bigger number, right? So I'll just check, right? I can check 7 divide, yes, 10 here, yes, 12 here, right? Dividing by 7, and then 7 is 400, right? 400, right? Okay, still I have some common factors I can see, so I'll take those also out of this. Yeah, divide by 2, yes, divide by this by 2, yes, 5 I can get, 6 I can get, right? 200 I can get, right? So now I am with this first equation. I have rearranged as 5x plus 6y equals 200, right? Now I'm easy. Now this will be my new equation 3. Now you can do whatever you want to do. You play with this and get the answer. You all have to send me the answer for this example 3. I need the answers by tonight, right? Okay. I have next question. We'll see what the question says. Question says is, if from twice the greater of two numbers 16 is subtracted, the result is half the other number. If from half the greater number 1 is subtracted, the result still half the other number. What are the numbers? Can we hurry up and then put an equation for this? Husky, you are correct, yes. Okay, I'll just try to explain. Okay, twice is something that we have to think of. Twice. The greater of two numbers. 16 is subtracted if from, right? The result is half the other number, right? Half the other number. There are two numbers, one is bigger than the other number. From twice the greater of two numbers. So x and y are the numbers, okay? So x is greater than y. That's one thing that we have to know. X is greater than y, two numbers. From twice the greater of two numbers, right? So the greater is this guy, so from him, the twice the greater of two numbers, 16 is subtracted, okay, 16 is subtracted. The result is half the other number, right? This is the one. And next one, if from half the greater number, the bigger number, half from the greater number, right? Greater number is, the bigger number is x, okay? greater number, 1 is subtracted, the result still half. The result still half. This is the one. Let the two numbers be x and y. X is greater than y. All right. So that's something important. Then 2x minus 16 equals half y, right? Okay. And the other one is half x. They said, so now it's up to you. You have to get the answer for me. This also, right? I have next question. This question. Write down the question. I need the answer for this. Just this is already we made the equations are there. Just finding the answer. A and B are just numbers. We don't want to find A and B. We need to find x and y only, not A and B, right? A and B are the constants. X and y are the variables here. So x and y only I have to find out, not A and B. Answer will come with A and B, right? Next question I have is the interesting question I was thinking about. The sum of two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging the digit is 132. If 12 is added to the number, the new number becomes 5 times the sum of the digits. Find the number. Exactly 15, let's say. It's the sum of the number is this one, right? First digits and second digit. I'm talking about the place values, right? Here the place value for first number is 10, right? The second number is 5. What I told about 10 is the place value, right? If it is 26, my answer will be 2 into 10, right? 2 into 10 place value. 2 into 10 plus 6, right? That is 26. Let's take the two-digit number as xy. X and y are the two digits, maybe 25, 35, 45, something like this. It's about 25 if I take, that's the example I can give, right? So I told it's the place value for this number and this number. I can't add these two numbers and get a sum for this. Now x plus y I can't get. But if I'm getting the two numbers like this, if I want to make 25, I can make 10 into 2, right? 10 into 2 place value plus 5 into 1 the place values. Same thing like this, I can make x and y means 10x plus y will be my number, and the number formed by interchanging the digit and digits. And what I'm they're telling is a number interchanging the digit means yx, right? That means 10y plus x. The addition is 132. So this much is the one, 10x plus y plus, right, 10y plus x is going to be my 132. Right, I know it's a little difficult, right? But we'll practice this kind of questions. If 12 is added to the number, right? If 12 is added to the new number becomes 5 times the sum of the digits, right? This is a number, 10x plus y is my number. If 12 is added to the number, right? I'm adding 12 number, right? 12 is added to the number. The new number becomes 5 times the sum of the digit. Now we will move up ahead with our answers, which I have written and kept. So this is what we have got and we have discussed till now, right? Here we can see that the 11x plus 11y equals to 132. That one I can solve and make it x plus y equals 12. That's the first equation. And also the second equation I have got here, I have written down that one, right? That one, from there we got x equals to 4. Then we can substitute x equals 4 in equation this one,
right, like this, x plus y equals 12, right? So x is going to be 4 for us here, plus y equals 12, right? That will work out for us, y equals 8.
So by this we will stop. We will meet on the next class.